Hello guys, welcome back for another video of Just Reset My Car. Today I'm going to show you how you can reset the tire pressure indicator or initialize the tire pressure indicator on a Renault Space Wagon 2016 model. After changing some tires or repairing a flat tire, changing the wheels, you have to re-initiate, get rid of this sign over here, the tire pressure sign. And I'm going to show you how you can do that with a Renault Space Wagon 2016. Before we start, a little bit about ourselves. Our YouTube channel is Service Reset My Car. We would appreciate it if you subscribe to our channel. Give us more support by liking our videos, if you like our videos, of course. If you don't like my videos, help me to develop better videos. Any comments, any questions, use the comment area and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Okay, after repairing or changing the tires, we have to re-initialize or recalibrate, or how you want to call it, set up the new pressure of the new tires, and I'm going to show how you can do that. First of all, we have to start the car. Press the brake, press the start button and start the car. Okay. Then we have to use this side of the steering wheel, the right side, to get through the menu. And once you hit the tire location in progress, this one, yes, this is something about the tires. I did it before, and I'm going to show how I did it. Once you hit the tires location, then you have to press the OK button. Keep pressing that till this appears, learning tire pressure initiated on the dashboard, and once that appears, it's learning the new tire pressures of the new wheels or the new tires to the car. And that's how you get rid of the tire indicator sign on the dashboard of a Renault Space Wagon 2016 model. I hope you enjoyed my video. Did you enjoy and didn't you subscribe yet? Sub to my videos, to my channel, and to not miss out any other videos. Hope to see you next time with another video. Bye bye.